this is the stuff that I got from the Dollar Tree. I had 2 rows of red decorative mesh, diamond design, and that little whatever that is I didn't need. And then the wreath, whatever that is itself. This is from Walmart. I got 2 flowers, some glue that I didn't use because it did not work, some Tulle that I used, and 50-cent paint for my letter D, and you can see the D right there. And here I am. First, I'm gonna start off by painting the D. My last name is D Ramus, so that's why I got a D. But I paint the D first, and I use an old paintbrush. As you can see, I was using for another little project I was doing. So I did that first so it could dry while I was actually making the wreath. This actually took me longer than I thought because I forgot to get some stuff, but you'll see that in this video. So right now I'm starting off, and it doesn't look too good. I didn't know what I was doing. I've made a wreath before, and I just forgot kind of how to do it. So as you see, it's going to look kind of ugly, and I'm not feeling that. See, I'm taking it apart. I said forget it. And I actually had to go get more material because I didn't have enough Tulle. I got some more mesh. I had to go to the nearest store, which was not the Dollar Tree because I live in the country and we don't have one of those. So we do have a Dollar General. Who doesn't? So I went and got some materials from there. I also had to buy pipe cleaners. Right now I am just cutting my mesh into little squares about 6 inches. I'm not measuring, but yeah, it's like 6 inches, and I'm gonna roll it into like 3 little rolls and then tie them together with the pipe cleaner and then attach it to the wreath mold thingy, wreath iron. I don't know what you call that thing. So that's what I'm doing now, is rolling the mesh up so I can put it on the wreath. See, now that looks easy. I don't know what in the world I was doing at first. And yeah, excuse the way I look. I try not to add myself in this video because I didn't have my wig on, you know. But right now I'm attaching my letter D after I attach all of the mesh on there. I also use pipe cleaner to attach the D on there, on the side. And I'm gonna add a few little flowers and things to it to give it a little bit more look. And then I did have that what do they call it from the Dollar Tree? I don't know, but I did not use it, and so I'm almost done with this wreath. It took longer than expected, but if I would have had everything, this probably would have only taken, I'm going to say, maybe an hour if I didn't stop or anything. Maybe not even an hour, honestly. The longest part, honestly, is like sitting there and cutting up the mesh and attaching it. I just used a few little elements to give it a little flair. It's red and silver. It's not a Christmas wreath actually, but I can use it as a Christmas wreath. I am also an Alabama fan because that's where I'm from, so those colors work great in this household. And there is the finished product. It looks great, and it would have taken a lot less time if I had all of my materials. So make sure you get enough things like your the mesh. I would say get at least 6 for, you know, a small wreath like the one I made.
thank you all for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.